Yeah.
And that's where we're demonstrating that we truly hear and understand the needs of our team. So Sarah and I have both have families. We both have our own business. So we have been more inclined to really hear and understand the needs of everything that's going on so that we show each other value. And then that flows into our individual businesses where we're actively listening to our clients and valuing their perspective so that we can tailor and adapt to their preferences and build an even stronger connection for the long run.
Yeah, because if you think about it, you're making the people that you work with, your clients, feel like they are being seen and heard. Okay, so going back to like the difference between customer service and client service. So when you walk into, a restaurant and you get your meal, then yes, I mean, they do give customer service. They, make sure that you have everything that you need.